Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's lesson is about 10 common grammar mistakes that many English learners make while writing and speaking. If you fix these simple mistakes, your English will sound more natural, clear, and confident instantly. This lesson will help you improve writing skills, grammar accuracy, speaking confidence, sentence structure. Listen carefully. Repeat the examples. Practice daily. Let's begin. Writing hand mistake 1. Your versus your. Cross mark, you're very smart. White heavy check mark, you're very smart. Your shows possession. Your means you are. Examples. Your bag looks nice. You're doing a great job. Repeat. You're improving every day. Excellent clapping hands. Writing hand mistake 2. There, and there. Cross mark, they're going to school. White heavy check mark, they're going to school. There shows possession. There talks about a place. There means they are. Examples. Their house is beautiful. The books are over there. They're my best friends. Great clapping hands. Writing hand mistake 3. Its versus its. Cross mark, it's raining outside. White heavy check mark, it's raining outside. It shows possession. It means it is. Examples. The dog wagged its tail. It's a beautiful day. Repeat. It's important to practice grammar. Excellent clapping hands. Writing hand mistake 4. Using a and an. Cross mark, she is an honest person. White heavy check mark, she is an honest person. Use a before consonant sounds. Use and before vowel sounds. Examples. A university student. An apple. An hour. Very good clapping hands. Writing hand mistake 5. Subject and verb agreement. Cross mark, she go to school. White heavy check mark, she goes to school. Singular subjects usually need singular verbs. Examples. He works hard. She likes music. The teacher explains clearly. Repeat. She speaks English fluently. Great practice clapping hands. Writing hand mistake 6. Using the wrong tense. Cross mark. Yesterday, I go to the market. White heavy check mark. Yesterday, I went to the market. Past events need past tense verbs. Examples. I watched a movie last night. She visited her grandmother yesterday. Excellent. Writing hand mistake 7. Double negatives. Cross mark, I don't know nothing. White heavy check mark, I don't know anything. Avoid using two negative words together. Examples. I can't find anything. She doesn't need any help. Repeat. I don't have any problems. Very nice clapping hands. Mistake 8. Confusing then and than. Cross mark, she is taller than me. White heavy check mark, she is taller than me. Than is used for comparisons. Then talks about time or sequence. Examples. I am older than my brother. First study, then relax. Excellent. Mistake 9. Missing plural s. I have two cat. I have two cats. Most plural nouns need s or es. Examples. 3 books. 5 apples. Many students. Repeat. I bought 2 shirts. Great. Writing hand mistake 10. Run-on sentences. Cross mark. I was tired, I continued working. White heavy check mark. I was tired, but I continued working. Use punctuation and conjunctions correctly. Examples. She studied hard, so she passed. I was hungry, so I made dinner. Excellent work. Extra practice paragraph. Grammar is important because it helps people communicate clearly and correctly. Many English learners make small grammar mistakes while writing or speaking, but regular practice can improve accuracy and confidence. Learning common grammar rules helps build stronger sentences and better communication skills. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, so learners should not feel afraid of practicing English. Reading, listening, writing, and speaking daily are the best ways to improve grammar naturally over time. Quick shadowing practice. Now repeat these sentences with me. You're doing a great job. She goes to school every day. It's important to practice daily. I don't know anything about that. Grammar improves communication. Great job clapping, ants. Today, you learned 10 common grammar mistakes and how to fix them instantly.